What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to message on LinkedIn without permission. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website. After clicking on this website, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of LinkedIn, wherein if you already have a LinkedIn account, you can continue with Google, Microsoft, or with your email. But if you are new to LinkedIn, you can just simply click on join now and then enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your new LinkedIn account. Now, after creating your account or just logging in, you will be welcome to the homepage of LinkedIn. So now from here, if you want to message someone, you can first off join some groups if you want to message in groups. So you can join the groups and then message in the groups. But if you want to message an individual person, you need to make sure that their profile is open. Let's say when you see this profile, this is an open profile, so I can message without connecting it. When you see an open profile, you can directly message to that person. But if the another person's profile is not open, you first need to send a connection request, and then when they accept the connection request, you can then message them uh, on LinkedIn. So this is how you can message on LinkedIn without permission. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.